Hello and welcome back for my video about the project SocketChat. In this video it will be very fast, I hope, and I will show the cron job based on the previous video. We figure out that some of the time should be is in timestamp, and what we really want is converted to Mongo date time. So that's one of the part, and the second one we need a little configuration inside here we're missing from the previous video, and then yeah, that's it. So let's begin. First we going for the cron tab and we want to run it every single minute to be sure all the users will be disconnected if they're idle too much. So we want to call Python and then the path to project, and then we go into the cron tab folder and call the file disconnect idle users. Remember to change the project to path to project to your own path. It could be var www, it could be home server user, something like that. I just use this to show you what's happening. So in the disconnect idle user here, we use the system and max idle users. So let's copy the max idle users and going for the configuration file here and call it the system. And then you say 300 is 5 minutes and not only 1 minute. You don't need this. We have the fallback, but I will add it here anyway. And of course I want to add it in the sample, so when I commit the code it will be available for you too. And the last thing is we have in the users here we have disconnect time. I really want to say datetime.utc now, and going up here and say import date time, from datetime. We want to import datetime, so time datetime utc now, and we don't have any more, and time is don't need it anymore. And yeah, we probably need a single changes here. I think it's make a mistake here. Nope, but I know it's getting in trouble here because we say datetime stamp and should be lower than. So I know this is wrong. So let's change the time date. And the way we want to convert the timestamp to the date time in Python is using the time delta. So we want to go up here to say time delta, because then we get access to minus it. So I want to remove this one, and we say this should be minus the time delta, and should be second is equal to, and then we're going up here. And then I expect it's working, so let's try to see what's happening. Yeah, we want to say the UTC should be this time. Everything below this time should be disconnected, and we don't have any users right now. But let's go inside here and say what's happening. I will say this one, and the disconnect should be none. Of course, null in Mongo. And then let's try. Get one users disconnected, and now everything is running perfect. So that's all from me, and I hope you enjoy this video where we have changed a little bit in the code. And I hope you want to subscribe my channel. You can go for the link below. And if you have any questions about this video or all my other videos, please make a comment below. I'll try to answer them as fast as possible. I really hope you want to give it a like, and of course share it with your friends so you can learn how to create a socket chat between Python and Node.js. Thank you so much, and see you next time.